Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video we're gonna go to, or the plan is to go to Fouchery Lake and Sawmill. So you can see in our video playlist that last time we went to Bowman Lake, we wanted to go to the other two lakes, but we ran out of time. We had the kids were quite impatient. So today we are set out and ready to go to Sawmill and Fouchery Lake. I just bought these Stone tire deflators, and it says it's preset to 18 psi, but here's where I'm at.
Here you can see that we're still in two-wheel drive. Now we are in 4 high, and we're taking an easier line. Airing down makes a huge difference, especially for these jaggedy rocks.
First time off-roading.
For the tires, I'm running Falcon Wild Peak MTs in a C-load 285/70/17s. It was moderately smoky on this day. At the time of this recording, we had the Tamarack, the Dixie, and the Beckworth complex fires burning.
Jackson Meadows, Sawmill Lake. Oh, I guess we're turning right.
Yeah, this is it. Oh my god.
Oh, that's teeny. All right, we have reached our lunch spot. We are right below the dam on Sawmill Lake here. You kind of see over there with the rocks, and then the creek that runs from it, the outlet from the dam. And we found a nice little spot here. We're gonna make it a lunch spot here. Probably go down there in a little bit and check out the creek. I thought I saw something over here. This has not been put out. I'm gonna grab some water and put it out. Do not want a forest fire out here. So beautiful. What you got cooking here today, Mama?
I guess just meat, Korean barbecue,
Korean
without
barbecue.
all the sauces. All I have is sesame oil and salt to dip in.
Beverage of choice. Looks delicious. Kind of torn whether or not we should finish this route and go all the way to Boundary Lake or just turn around now. I'm pretty happy with what we found here.
I know. Let's just see how we feel afterwards. That's mostly how we feel afterwards.
A little foreshadowing here. We ended up not reaching Factory Lake as we had originally planned.
Get to the stores and all that stuff.
Because part of me is like, we're right here and I kind of want to check out both lakes since we're here.
Straight, all the way straight. Yeah. Go all the way. Yep, you're good. Go all the way. You're good. Keep going.
Okay everybody, that ends our trip to Sawmill Lake. It was fun, it was adventurous, and we're airing up and we're heading home. We'll see you next time.